Enabling two-factor authentication adds an extra layer of security to your account. Follow these steps to set it up effectively. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the X website or app and enter your username and password to log into your account. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. This is usually found by clicking on your profile picture or the menu icon. Step 3. Find security settings. In the account settings menu, look for the security or privacy section. This is where you will find the option for two-factor authentication. Step 4. Enable two-factor authentication. Select the option to enable two-factor authentication. You may be prompted to choose your preferred method, such as receiving a text message or using an authentication app. Step 5. Confirm and save changes. Follow the prompts to confirm your choice and save the changes. You may need to enter a verification code sent to your chosen method to complete the setup. By following these steps, you can enhance the security of your account with two-factor authentication. Remember to keep your recovery options updated in case you need to regain access in the future.